The question is explain Laffer curve. Okay, so the Laffer curve is a theoretical representation of the relationship between tax rates and tax revenue. So, the relationship between tax rate and tax revenue is explained by the concept of Laffer curve. It suggests that there is an optimal tax rate that maximizes revenue, and that tax rate that are too high or too low will result in lower revenue. So it suggests that optimal tax rate that maximizes revenue and tax rate too high or low will result lower revenue. This Laffer curve is the name after the economist Arthur Laffer, and the idea was popularized on 1980s. So Arthur Laffer is the propounder of this theory, and it was propounded on 1980 in the year of 1980. So the Laffer curve is typically illustrated with a graph that shows the tax revenue on vertical axis and tax rate on the horizontal axis, and the curve itself shaped like an U shape, upside down U shape. So the structure of this curve is U shaped, and taking the axis of revenue and tax in both the axes. So as the revenue increases, tax rate increases up at a certain point, and then decreasing as tax rates continue to rise. So this is the basic concept. So you should just follow the U, the shape of the U, and so as revenue increase, so the tax rate will rise, tax rate will increase till a point. Then decreasing as tax increase. Okay, so this is the concept. So we can say that at very low tax rate, the Laffer curve suggests that tax revenue will be low because there is not enough revenue to collect. This is the basic statement of this theory, that low or high will result lower revenue. Okay, so this is the basic idea of the Laffer curve, Sir Arthur Laffer. The government is collecting more money from each taxpayer when as tax rate increases, revenue will also increase because the government is collecting more money from each taxpayer. However, as tax rate continue to rise, the Laffer curve suggests that the revenue will eventually start to decline. Keep in mind the shape of the Laffer curve, that is U-shaped. So there will be a certain point, and then it will start declining. So because high tax rate discourages economic activity, and it can lead to a tax evasion and avoidance. Okay, so the exact shape of the Laffer curve depends on the number of factors like elasticity of supply. So it depends on elasticity of supply, demand for labor and capital, the progressivity of tax system, availability of tax shelter, and other ways of taxes. Availability of tax shelter, etc. So overall, the Laffer curve suggests that there is an optimal tax rate that maximizes revenue. So the Laffer curve suggests that there is an optimal tax rate. Okay, so and tax rate that are too high or too low will result in lower revenue. So the idea has been influential in debates about tax policy and the appropriate level of taxation. However, the precise shape of the Laffer curve and the optimal tax rate still subject to the debate and empirical analysis. So this is the basic concept of Laffer curve. Thank you.